What if I told you the easiest way to grow your e-commerce business doesn't require paid ads, complicated funnels, or hours of your time? It's email marketing. And I know what you're thinking. That sounds so overwhelming. But trust me, it's not as hard as you might think. Hi friends, welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast. My name is LIEZLE, and in this little corner of the internet, I share all things email marketing for e-commerce stores. Spend less than 10 minutes with me each week, and I'll help you turn store browsers into loyal customers, all in the most cost-effective way possible. Whether you're new to email marketing or just need a confidence boost, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. When I started my first e-commerce store, I felt completely overwhelmed by the idea of email marketing. I was already trying to figure out how to build a Shopify site using YouTube videos because I couldn't afford help. And when I finally launched my website, I thought, this is it. My virtual doors are open and the customers will come pouring in. But nothing, not a single sale for months. That's when I realized having a store isn't enough. If I couldn't market it, none of my hard work would matter. With zero funds for ads or fancy campaigns, I didn't really know where to start. And after binging podcasts, I kept hearing the same thing. Email marketing, specifically with Klaviyo, was the most cost-effective way to grow my business. So I signed up for Klaviyo and then froze. The dashboard looked intimidating, and I let it sit there untouched for months. Focused on social media instead because it felt easier. But looking back, I wish I'd started with Klaviyo sooner. Fast forward to today, and email marketing is my favorite part of my business. I've learned how powerful it can be, not just for growing sales, but for building relationships with customers. And now, my mission is to help you skip the overwhelm and start seeing results without making all the mistakes I made. Let's be honest. Email marketing can feel intimidating because there's just so much advice out there, including this podcast episode. How to write emails, when to send them, which tools to use. I know it's a lot. And some of the most common fears I hear are, I'm not tech savvy enough to set up emails. I don't have time to figure it out. What if I send the wrong email and annoy my customers? What if they unsubscribe? What if I run out of things to say to them each week? Here's the thing. You don't have to do everything perfectly. You just have to start. Focus on a few simple do's and avoid common don'ts, and you'll be well on your way. Some do's. Start small with one flow or one email. Use Klaviyo's templates to save time and guide you. Stay consistent. Show up in your audience's inbox weekly. Don't try to do everything at once. It leads to overwhelm and it's going to make you quit. Don't overcomplicate your campaigns. Keep it simple. And don't skip personalization. It's the key to building trust, and quite honestly, it's your secret weapon. Here's what successful e-commerce businesses knows. Automations are your best friend. Think of automations or flows in Klaviyo as your 24/7 marketing assistants. They welcome new subscribers, follow up on abandoned carts, and even thank your customers for their purchases, all without you lifting a finger. Why are automations so powerful though? They save you time. No more manually sending emails. They build trust. Personalized messages make customers feel seen and valued. They drive revenue. By keeping your business top of mind, they bring customers back to buy more. 3 steps to get started with email marketing today. Step 1, I want you to choose your tool. If you're here, you probably already know Klaviyo is the best tool for e-commerce businesses. It integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms. Plus, Klaviyo's free tier lets you spend up to 500 emails a month and manage 250 contacts for free. So go to klaviyo.com and sign up. It's quick and easy. Step 2 is to set up your first flow. Start with a welcome email. It's the perfect first flow. When someone joins your list, you want to welcome them to your brand. Klaviyo's templates makes this super simple. And if you're ready to dive deeper, I've created a resource to help you, my Quickstart checklist for high-converting pop-ups and welcome flows. This guide walks you through setting up a pop-up to grow your list and crafting a welcome email that leaves a lasting first impression. The link to grab your free checklist is in the show notes. Your third step is to write one email this week. It doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a thank you note, a product recommendation, an exclusive offer, or an introduction of you. The goal is to just start building momentum. And here's how to get started in Klaviyo. Go to campaigns, create a new campaign, and choose a template. Replace the placeholder images with high-quality photos of your product or you, and add a clear call to action button like shop now or learn more. Remember, I want you to use only one call to action per email. So whether it be read a blog or buy the product, focus on one thing only. And then you want to write 1 to 2 very short paragraphs, focusing on value and clarity. A pro tip is to use personalization. Include their first name in the subject line or greeting, because that makes a huge difference. And that's it. 3 simple steps to get started with email marketing. Choose your tool, set up your first flow, and write one email this week. Email marketing doesn't have to feel overwhelming, my friend. Start small, stay consistent, and watch it become one of the most rewarding parts of your business. If you're ready to take the first step, grab my Quickstart checklist for high-converting pop-ups and welcome flows. This free guide is perfect for helping you create those foundational touchpoints that turn visitors into loyal customers. From setting up a seamless pop-up to crafting a welcome email that introduces your brand, this checklist will give you the confidence to get started. Head to SHECOMMERCE.com/freebies to download it today. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Inbox to Income. If you found today's episode helpful, please subscribe, leave a review, or share it with another entrepreneur who could use a little email marketing encouragement. I'll see you next week for more actionable tips to simplify your e-commerce journey. Until then, happy emailing.